A federal judge has blocked part of the executive order, but a big court fight is likely to play out in the coming days. KPIX 5's Devin Feely looks at where things stand tonight.
The judge's ruling says there is a strong chance the president's executive order violates the, quote, due process and equal protection clauses of the U.S. Constitution and effectively blocks it from being enforced.
This ban is unconstitutional, just preliminarily, based on what the judge has seen. And the judge also characterized this ban as misconduct by the President of the United States.
KPIX 5 legal analyst Judge LaDoris Cordell says the Trump administration will have an opportunity to either appeal the ruling or defend the executive order at a hearing next month. The injunction is an early victory for opponents of the ban, but Judge Cordell says it's likely just the beginning of a long legal battle.
This case could end up with the United States Supreme Court, and it's going to move very quickly. I mean, there was less than a 24-hour turnaround once the president issued the executive order before the lawsuit was filed.
And in the interim, there appears to be some confusion about how or if the executive order will be implemented. The Department of Homeland Security issued a press release stating that it will continue to enforce all of President Trump's executive orders, adding that no foreign national in a foreign land without ties to the United States, has an unfettered right to demand entry to the U.S. And opponents of the ban say they will continue to fight a battle on two fronts, in the court system and in the court of public opinion.
Historically, as we all know from the civil rights movement, all the victories that we've had have been fought have been a result of fights both in the courtrooms and in the streets. And that's what's going to happen here.
In San Francisco, Devin Feely, KPIX 5.
President Trump